This is exactly what you need to do if you want to go travel to exotic locations and be able to earn money at the same time. Don't just be that person that scrolls on by. Make sure that you watch to the end and make sure that you take action so that you can change your current story and live your dream life. You already have 90% of what you need and what it takes to get started to create your own automated online business. The rest I'm going to show you exactly how you can do. Did you know that now more than ever people are wanting to consume and learn online? That means the e-learning industry is booming. People are wanting to know how to make money online. People are wanting to learn how to do X, Y, and Z online from the comfort of their own home. That means that there is a huge opportunity for you to delve into the world of online business with digital products. And no, you don't even need to create them. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that I am following that is allowing me to enjoy days like this while I'm working and earning money online. If you would like to find out more, all you need to do is hang out with me a little bit more, click that follow button, or if you're ready to take the next step, pop ready in the comments and I'll be really excited and happy to share with you the step-by-step process that I am following free of charge. And in other words, you're going to get the free blueprint, and that is going to enable you to figure out how you too can make this a reality.